you want to do in the bedroom? Besides the orgy.
Anal, maybe.
What's up, viewers and subscriber? Welcome to my channel. Anyways, I was watching a video with a well-known artist, Shensia, and a question was asked, and the answer that she gave, a lot of people didn't like it, including me. The question me need to ask is these are the artists that we the people look up to? These are the artists that is a lot of fans role model? That I want to know, because these artists is leading the youths them, the young youths them, because really and truly majority of the artists them fan base, at this artist fan base, at the young youths them, you know, picking where I go to school, are youths in them early 20s, and a lot of these youths, anything the artist say, it goes. If the artist tell them say strip naked and walk on the road, once them see them artists are do it, them are go do it. So that is the power these artists have over these youths, and me not hear nobody really talk about it, because these artists, you know, for further them career, them have to push certain agenda, them have to manipulate the youth them mind, them have to manipulate the masses, and them a do. Because me see one artist in a music video with him pants down on him knee and him underpants a show, and him in a music video with one bag of man, and man behind him don't have on no shirt with evil sign in him forehead, and me not really see people talk about it. So it's like negativity, things that is ungodly, those are the stuff that people are push. But positivity, nobody not really a focus on that. A lot of the artists them who do good songs, you know, quality songs, you know, people not really a focus on them career. For y'all 3 months time and you check them views are just 100k, that if they get so much, and an artist who push negativity, you know, in the space of 1 week them reach 1 million views. So it clearly shows we the fans, we are the problem, you know. If we not support certain things, if we not push these artists' career, them not have no career. So are we the fans, we need to stop these things. We need to push positivity and let go negativity. So that is it for today. So if you guys like this video, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell so you don't miss our next upload. I'm out.